Hi everyone, welcome to my first video. So this is just a quick tour of my current setup before I upgrade my table. I have a PC, a tablet, and a laptop all crammed on this narrow table. As you can see, the table is already scratched and dingy, but this has served me well for the past 3 years. I use my monitor riser as a space to put other junk on as well. A place for everything and everything in its place. I also have a hard mouse mat from Gloria stuck onto my table. Not sponsored, but maybe someday. Clean canteen? Stay hydrated. Since my desk is a bit short, I use my IKEA Alex drawer as an extension of the table and put my PC on top of it. It has endured a lot of spills as well over the years. And my laptop is tucked away in this corner. Now this is the rat's nest powering the whole setup. I got it from Shopee at a good price, but it's pretty flimsy and unable to hold heavy loads, especially my laptop charger. It's attached onto the table with screws, and it's made out of plastic. We want to get the new desk in the room, but first things first, let's clean up. Let's reveal the new desk. The biggest thing for me here is the dedicated cable management raceway underneath the desk. I had this custom made by our local woodworker. Thank you, Kuya Anderson. I also have 3 holes at the back of the desk so I can position my cables perfectly every time. So this ends the quick desk upgrade video. Are you interested in a desk tour? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you back in my home office.